In this video, we are going to learn a new word that is condemn. Okay, condemn. Condemn is a verb. Condemn is a verb. It means to criticize something or someone strongly, usually for moral reasons. Okay, to criticize. In simple words, condemn means to criticize, or you can say to blame. Okay, to blame someone, to criticize someone, and strongly. Why? For moral reasons. Okay, for moral reasons, for benefit of others, right? So condemn means to criticize others for moral reasons, right? Or you can say to severely punish someone who has committed a crime. To severely punish. Okay, to severely punish someone who has committed a crime, or to force someone to suffer. To force someone to suffer. Or another meaning is to decide officially that a building is not safe for people to use. Okay, to decide officially, it should be decided officially that the building is unsafe and it should be demolished, it should be destroyed. Okay, so condemn means to decide officially that the building is not safe for people to use, right? Yes. Then yes, let's see how to use the word condemn in the following sentences, right? Yes. Sentence number 1: the terrorist action has been condemned as an act of barbarism and cowardice. The terrorist action, okay, the terrorist action has been condemned as an act of barbarism. What is the meaning of barbarism? Barbarism means, extremely cruelty. Okay, extremely cruelty, that is barbarism. Or cowardice means, lack of courage. Okay, lack of courage. So the terrorist action has been condemned, that means it should be blamed. Okay, or we can say that terrorist action has been criticized. Why? Because it is an act of extremely cruelty and lack of courage, cowardice, right? Yes. Then next sentence, sentence number 2. Yes, the film was condemned for its sexism. The film was condemned for its sexism. Okay, what is the meaning of sexism? Sexism means, discrimination about a particular sex. Okay, or you can say, see another sex differently, especially in a harsh way. That is sexism. We can say discrimination on sex or gender, right? It is sexism. So the film was condemned, the film was blamed, the film was criticized. Why? Because there is a discrimination based on sex or gender, right? Yes. Then sentence number 3: the movie was condemned for glorifying violence. For glorifying violence. Okay, so the movie was criticized, or you can say the movie was blamed. Why? For glorifying violence, because there is a place of violence. Okay, it is based on, the film is based on violence, right? Then next sentence: the building was condemned as unsafe and was demolished. Yes, here condemn means declared, officially declared as it is unsafe. So the building was condemned as unsafe and was demolished. Demolished means destroyed, completely destroyed. This is demolished, right? Next sentence: their poor education condemns them to a series of low-paid jobs. Okay, here condemn means, we can say it is, yes, to force someone to suffer. Okay, here to force someone to suffer. So their poor education condemns them to a series of low-paid jobs. Okay, because their education system or their learning was very poor, not qualitative. Okay, so he's eligible to get a low-paid jobs, right? Yes. Let's see how to. Yes, it's synonyms and antonyms. Okay, what are the synonyms? Synonyms means same meaning word, or you can say similar meaning word. Okay, so what are the synonyms of the word condemn? Yes, first, criticize. It is very popular and common synonym of condemn. Criticize, blame. Okay, denounce. Yes, it's very important word. Denounce. Denounce means to publicly state that something is wrong or evil. It is denounce. That similar means, blame, criticize. They have the same meaning. Okay, denounce, punish, sentence, Sentence means to punish also. Okay, sentence. Castigate, castigate. Okay, castigate. Then censure. Okay, censure. Censure means to officially and strongly scold or blame someone in authority. Okay, to officially and strongly scold or blame someone in authority. That is censure. Okay, chide, chide. Decry. Okay, decry. Decry means to speak out against an idea. Okay, yes, to speak out against an idea with a great dislike. With a great dislike. That is decry. Also blame, criticize. Okay, they have the almost nearly they have same meaning. Chide, decry, censure, blame, criticize. They have all same meanings, right? Yes. So these are the synonyms of the word condemn, right? Yes. Then antonyms. Antonym is opposite word. Yes, approve, approve. Criticize, but its opposite is approve, right? Compliment. Yes, these are the positive word. Compliment. Okay, laud, laud. Not loud. It is laud. Okay, laud. But L-O-U-D. Listen, L-O-U-D. It is loud. Loud means noisy. Okay, loud means noisy. But here it is laud, laud. Okay, that means to praise. Okay, to appreciate, to compliment. That is laud. Praise. Yes, praise. Commend, commend. Okay, commend also means you also praise. Commend, praise. Commend also means to formally praise. Yes, officially praise or mention as worthy of respect. Okay, to formally mention as worthy of respect. That is commend. Okay. Then vindicate. Yes, vindicate. Vindicate means to clear someone of blame or guilty. That means to declare that he is not guilty or to remove as a blame. Okay, to clear someone of blame. That is vindicate. Exonerate. Okay, exonerate. Exonerate means to officially prove that someone is not guilty. That is exonerate. Officially prove. Okay, to officially prove that someone is not guilty. That is exonerate. So these are the synonyms and antonyms of the word condemn. Okay, so हिंदी में कहते हैं निंदा करना. ठीक है, निंदा करना. So in this video we learned the meaning of a condemn and its synonyms, antonyms, and how to use the word condemn in the sentences, right? So if you like this video, please to like, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Yes, subscribe our channel. So thank you very much for watching this video.